My name is Thomas. I will be 90 years old in a few weeks. I have some emphysema, COPD, and lung disease. So I have problems with my lungs, but it's remarkable that I can go right now. My hobby is ballroom dancing. I've been a fabulous ballroom dancer. Mecca was Sundays, Roseland, waltz, foxtrot, quickstep. I was good at it. I did it a lot. Dancing was my ideal way of spending good time. I went dancing at least 4 days a week, nights a week, most always on Sunday. And believe me, I loved it and was good at it. Then around 2012, I began to have breathing problems. I happened to be dancing one day with a girl, and for the first time in my life, I said, I got to stop and sit down. So fine, we sat down. Fortunately for me, she happened to be a nurse and took my pulse and said, Tom, you have a problem. I went to the medical center up here. They had no suggestion to help me, and I was just deteriorating every month, getting worse. I was now puffing, getting dressed. Every little grade, I'd be puffing. Taking a shower, I'd be puffing. Stairs, of course, became the ultimate asthmatic experience after 2 flights. Stairs were killing me. In the spring of 2015, I saw an ad somewhere advertising the Lung Institute. I called them, and they offered stem cell research in their program. I had the money, and in the summer, I spoke to my son, and we took the attitude, what do I have to lose? Now, after the stem cell visit in July of 2015, it's about 3 months before I begin to notice anything. But in 3 or 4 months, I started to feel much better, and I noticed that the breathing deterioration had stopped completely, and there was a little improvement. More important, now in these last several months, I have a wonderful feeling of wellness, of good feeling. I think it's because I have more oxygen in my blood, but I feel good. I get up every morning. I'm not tired during the day. I feel energized. I'm not depressed. I have an agenda of so many things to do. I'm out in the garden every day. And now planting, I'll show this young man my garden when we go out later. I ride my bicycle, and I'm going to show you how good I am at 90 years of age on my bike. Last year I did 500 miles on that bike, and I don't puff. I'll ask my son to come in here, and you can ask him anything you want.
For him, it's all about quality of life. He's very active. As you know, he's turning 90 in a week or 2. He rides a bicycle, he gardens, he works, he does a lot of things, and to not be able to do those things, I didn't enjoy living with him when he can't do those things. So it is important. So I think it's made a difference. Before he went to the Lung Institute, his breathing was very labored. If he just walked over to the other side of the house to where I live, he would be panting almost. And after he went down there, it didn't change overnight, but over a course of a few months, I can see now that his breathing has improved.
Would I recommend Lung Institute? Oh, absolutely. Positively. I feel better, I'm happy what I've done, and this feeling of wellness is wonderful. And I hope other people get the same benefit that I have had.